create a new user account in Windows 11, first open Settings. Then on the left side, click on Accounts. Then again click on Family and Other Users. Now, on Other Users, click on Add Account. You will be able to add offline or online account. I will go with offline, so click on I don't have person's sign-in information. Now, click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. After that, enter a username for your new account. I am using Void as username. And for password, I will leave it blank. And there you go, you have created a new user account. You can also change the account type to administrator from here. Now let's log into our new account. You can switch users from Start menu, like this. Now, keep in mind that, when logging in for the first time, it will take some time to prepare your user account. Now, uncheck what you want disabled, and press Accept. And we are logged into our new user account. And this is how you can add a new user on your Windows 11. That's it for this video. Goodbye.